Quiz Bowl. What is it? It's a game where the player's knowledge is truly put to the test. Every Friday evening after school at Lakeshore High is when the club gets together in this battle of wits, and the sponsor of this club, Miss Tracy Krieger, loves to see her students compete.
Quiz Bowl is a competition between schools on, trivial questions, political questions, sports, literature, just a competition of what you know and how well you know it.
Krieger has deep roots in Quiz Bowl, founding Slidell High's chapter, and when she moved to Lakeshore in the fall of 2009, she hit the ground running.
We got 6 to 21.
Krieger says the tedious schedule that comes with Quiz Bowl calls for highly motivated students.
Well, the students have to be dedicated. They want to come and question each other. They also have to come on a Saturday, at least 2 or 3 times a year.
Every time this club meets, it's all in preparation for Quiz Bowl tournaments, and they do a good bit to prepare. Club president Nick Bertucci plays a big part in selecting the content that the club practices.
I work with Miss Krieger to try to organize events, make sure that we get in enough practices before we have competitions, and try to communicate a little with the other schools about when we're going to do events, how they're going to be run.
Here's how the game works. There are 2 teams. Each person has a buzzer. The moderator will read the question, and whichever person buzzes in the quickest and answers the question right will receive points for their team.
It's kind of hard to practice because you could literally be asked any question on any topic. So really what we do is we go through some of the previous packets of Quiz Bowl tournaments in previous years.
Every year, the club participates in 2 tournaments, one at Lakeshore High School and another at St. Paul's. In their most recent tournament at Lakeshore, they placed first, earning a trophy for their victory. Even with multiple victories under their belt, club members still strive to do better in each competition, practicing increasingly difficult questions each time. However, practice alone cannot completely prepare them for these tournaments.
It's much more, professional, as opposed to because when we're practicing it here, we're very laid back, it's very relaxed, but when we're in the tournament, it's competition, everyone really wants to win, so people are taking it quite seriously, which makes sense. And that does make it, I think in my opinion, more fun as well, but it definitely makes it more challenging and intimidating.
In such tense situations, it's important that everyone works together so they can really do the best that they can.
Teamwork really is huge in Quiz Bowl. I think that's a really good lesson to learn. And just the knowledge that you can gain from it, it's just really fun. All the different things you learn, I think that could really be helpful later in life.
Lakeshore High Quiz Bowl, proving that even though knowledge is power, power can only get you so far without teamwork. Dominic Saenz, Channel 13 intern.